Looks like somebody's hiding right here, and he's well camouflaged. Let's check who this thing is. There you go. Haha, got you. Well camouflaged, trying to hide in those bushes. And now he's so quiet, so motionless. But we got him. There's the hiding froggy. So quiet. Well, nobody's gonna hurt you. Just relax right there. Enjoy your hiding. So that's it, folks. Somebody trying to hide in the underbushes. Well camouflaged, yet I spotted him right here. There we go. All right.